At the Global European Marketplace this year, we have a huge variety of product and distribution on offer. We have people from throughout the world here, over 400 tables, and you will find a wide variety of operators and suppliers here. There are a lot of new ideas here, and you should leave the day having met a lot of familiar people, but had some genuinely new ideas which you can carry forward to your business.
GEM is one of the best opportunities to networking with people, to meet your usual suspects, your usual accounts you're dealing with, and to find out about new opportunities and new members that are joining the ETOA. And you have the opportunity to see them all in one day.
GEM is great because of the quality of the companies who do attend, and where you know beforehand already your product has a chance, and you don't have to go searching and trying to find this or that. No, the people who are there, you have appointments with want your product.
I find myself having 22 meetings with some magnificent tour operators, really hot leads, and it's just a great way for me to spend my day.
The event has been organized superbly so far. Everything is going smoothly, and I expect to have business results out of it.
Business development has been great, pumping in, 40 different clients in one day, 12 minutes, but just to get all these business cards, and I do see a lot of potential for us here.
It's a perfect format, and the best thing is that you're just before WTM, so even if you don't manage to complete the appointment today, you will have a follow-up right next week.
There's a lot of good people to catch up with that we've known in the past, opportunities to see what's happening in the market, what potential opportunities are coming forward, and then new suppliers as well to connect with.
There's some huge, very well-established tour operators that frankly I've been dying to work with. That has been really positive. We're now starting a conversation.
All my appointments have been very good, and I really do have good business in my pocket.
ETOA coordinates a good event, and as always, it's you get something out of it.
You come here, you come away with new contacts, new opportunities, new ideas, and that's why I keep coming back.